Hey guys, just tune in to show you guys my Klein tool belt. As you can see, I matched it up with my AWP leather pouch, tool pouch. I did a video on that too, in case you're interested. And this belt fits up to a 48-inch waist. It's 2 inches wide, so that should fit most of us. All right, it's made of a propylene webbing, which tells me it's going to last. Also, Amazon purchasers are giving it over 4.5 stars out of 5. That tells you that the buyers are happy. So if you're looking for an adjustable tool belt, you found the right one here. You can see how nice and easy this slides in and out, in and out, and in. Got the nice rivets here, tough as nails. If you're looking for a good tool belt, here it is.